Hello everyone, welcome back to another home, apartment, decorating, furnishing, move-in vlog. So this vlog's a little sporadic. I've kind of been really randomly filming stuff because I actually broke my vlog camera. So I haven't had it for a while, so I filmed a couple things like a while ago that I'm gonna throw into this vlog. And then some new stuff now. So I have done a few things that I didn't film, but like I said in the first vlog, I'm not going to show you guys everything because when I do the grand reveal of my apartment, I want it to be at least a little bit of an exciting kind of mystery where you'll see stuff you know, didn't see every single thing in the vlog that you're not even going to want to watch the apartment tour. So anyways, welcome to the vlog. Okay, so this section that I finally did, so I moved the couch because the couch is obviously not staying there. I'm gonna move this as well right now, but my table finally came in the mail last night, so we're gonna build that and set it up here. The thing is, I have my table. I still don't have my dining room chairs. They're coming on Friday, and today is Monday. So in a couple days, I will set those up and show you guys that. But we're gonna set up the table, at least just for right now. I won't have anything to sit on. I don't have a single chair in this apartment, so we're gonna figure that out. So basically, I ended up just having to completely get a new table. So I did get one from IKEA, really similar to the one that I got, except this one is actually kind of nicer because it extends bigger. So yeah, I can just kind of like move it out a little bit and then just extend it. Okay, so yeah, here's what we're working with the table. We've got these 3 boxes. To flip this table over that literally just took me like 20 minutes to figure out how to do because it's so heavy. I had to like prop one side up with a bunch of books and like, anyways, got the table up. I'm not gonna completely close it, but you get the point. This is how big the table would be. So I can open up this middle part here. I just didn't shut it all the way, so they'll be completely closed like this one is. I just didn't close that side, but yeah. It fits perfectly. I don't even really have to like bring it out. If I do it sideways, we could put chairs this way, which is perfect because I thought I was gonna have to bring the table out to here with how long it extends. But if I have it going this way, then we can have chairs on both sides. If I need to open up the table bigger, it fits perfectly here. I'm really happy with this sizing I got. So good morning. I want to give you guys like a nice little update. First of all, I've got a full-length mirror. This is so pretty. You guys actually helped me pick out this one on my Instagram. I had like a couple, I think I just had 2 mainly that I was deciding between. I have a couple little updates of things that I've gotten and things we're gonna build today. And yeah, so let me show you that. So I've just woken up, I ate breakfast, I did a little mini like at-home workout thing. But let me show you guys. So this is the TV that I got. It is the Samsung, actually I don't remember what it's called, but I got it at Best Buy. I'll link it below. It's specifically known for being like artwork. So it's very thin, like a picture frame, and it comes with some of these art pieces that you can just kind of have. Right now I just have it set on the coffee table. But yeah, so I thought this was really pretty. I loved this French piece, obviously to sort of match with everything else. Oops. I'm sitting on the remote. Okay guys, so I'm about to start building the bed frame. Like I said, it's a canopy bed, so if you don't know what that means, it's where it has like the tall 4 corners with the thing that goes around so you can put like curtains, and I thought it would be really pretty. I just got this simple twirly white one. It wasn't the original one that I wanted, but it was less than half the price of the one that I wanted, and the one that I wanted had like 4 or 5 week shipping, and this came really quickly. So I'm gonna build this. It is a lot to build. It's a huge packet of instructions, and there's like a million pieces. So I think I'm gonna do like a little montage moment of me trying to build this and drink my coffee. Okay, let's go. Okay, little update. So far this is how it's going. Pretty good. I have this half, and then I also have this half that I built, and now I basically just have to join them together. All the pieces are over there. But it is starting to go sundown in my apartment. It's like 4:30 right now. By the time I'm done this, it's definitely gonna be dark and not good lighting. So yeah, I'm gonna finish it and then show you guys in the morning how it looks. Hi you guys, so little update. I'm in my partially built dressing room. So I've got my laptop. I'm gonna do some more online shopping. Basically, let me update you on a few things that you may have not seen in the vlog so far. A lot of my pieces got lost in the mail, like it did not come in. I ordered a few things from Wayfair, and FedEx had lost them basically twice. I had ordered my dining room table, my dining room chairs, and my rug, and all three pieces got lost twice. So I ended up having to buy similar pieces from completely different websites. So I ended up getting all of them. I have them all now. With my couch, Wayfair didn't end up losing it, but like it took longer than expected to get shipped. And so I figured the same thing, you know, was gonna happen. So I ended up ordering a second couch. So basically I have the new couch now, like this Plan B second couch that I bought. I just got it like 4 days ago. My girlfriend helped me build it and it looks great. It actually, I was more happy with it than I thought I was gonna be because online it was like eh, but when it came in, like it's actually really cute. And now I get notifications that the original couch is not lost and is coming. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I have kind of two ideas. I think either, because they're both love seats, I didn't get an actual couch, but I technically have enough room for a couch. I may find a way, because both couches kind of match each other, like they go together and they're both just all white. I might find a way to do some sort of sectional something or like rearrange the seating from the original idea I had and like keep both of them. Or I'm just gonna set up the other one that's gonna come in and like see which one I like better and just sell the other one on Facebook Marketplace. Because I don't know anybody who needs a couch. So I'll either sell the one that I don't like unless I find a nice way to like fit both couches in my living room. I don't know how much I may have shown of it in this vlog, but for my bed, I got a Canopy Bed. So I'll show a picture kind of what that is here. Same thing kind of happened with the couch wise, where I had an original Plan A Canopy Bed I really, really wanted. This one didn't get lost. I didn't end up buying it because it had like 2.5 month shipping. So I did not want to wait that long to have a bed frame and just sit on a mattress on the floor or sleep on a mattress on the floor for 2.5 months. So I was like, I'll find one from another company that's similar and just, you know, it'll be fine. It's not the exact one I wanted, but I ordered a second one and it actually, I really don't like. It's not really tall. It's only 6 feet tall actually. And for some reason, that's a super odd, like, length to find curtains. I'm having trouble finding 6 foot long curtains, but also like the Canopy Bed curtains typically are sheer and I don't want that. I want nice, like thick, either like linen or something like that. I don't want them to be the sheer curtains because that also makes it look more like a little girl's bed. So I'm having trouble finding curtains. So that's one thing I'm trying to find right now. I'm figuring I may have to buy regular curtains that may not be 6 feet, maybe a little bit longer, and cutting them because I'd rather have them be longer and then just like cut them and maybe seam them than having them be like way too short and it like look weird. Okay guys, I found them. I found 6 foot curtains, finally, 72 inches. I don't know why 72-inch curtains were so hard for me to find, but I found, and they're blackout. That's what I was looking for, like not the sheer kind, but like a thick full curtain, like you cannot see through them. I wanted like legit full curtains because even the ones that I have on my windows, they're linen, but like they're not blackout linen. They're the type where like they're light filtering. That's what they call it. So these are blackout curtain window treatments, a pack of 2. So I'll get 4 of them. Hi guys, so I'm gonna do a little haul for you guys. I figured I would mix this into like the home vlog. Now that I have my dining room table and chairs up, I've done a lot of dining sort of tableware shopping and I'm very excited. I love the stuff that I've got and I'm going to show you. A lot of it is vintage, some of it is new. I'm going to save my ultimate favorite piece that I'm like really excited about for last, but let me show you what I've been getting. So as you guys know, I do a lot of gold, but I really love the whole sterling silver when it comes to dining. So my whole set is sort of like a mix of gold and silver. So let me show you. I got really lucky when thrifting these pieces because I was able to find like a huge like matching set, and that's of course very rare when like vintage shopping. So everything that I got, well, starting off with like these pieces, is white with like gold trim, like the really thin gold outline. So first I got this little like cake dessert stand thing, which I'm excited about because I really needed one of these. I didn't have anything like this, and I love to just sort of like have the layers on like a tablescape of like height. So I thought this would be nice if I like have an appetizer like a baked brie or like I'm baking and I put that up here, would be super cute. Then I got this set of bowls. As you can see here, they're like these shallow bowls, and they have the same concept as that, where it's all white with like the thin gold outline. I'm not sure if you guys can like see it on the camera really, but yeah, this one kind of has like this twirly print, not like print, but you know what I mean, just the sort of texture on the rim, which these ones are smooth. I have some other pieces that match this, but they all like look like a matching set, which is really cool. So I have all of these. And then to match those exactly, they had mini plates. I think I have 4 of each. So I have these ones, and these ones came with matching cups that have the same like texture with the twirls and then the gold outlining on the rim of the cup. So I have these little like coffee cups. Again, I have 4 of these, which is like, so my tablescape, I'm not really sure. I have like basically 4 sets of everything, which my table seats 4 when it's closed. You guys probably saw earlier in the vlog, it's like the table where it extends to be bigger. So now I'm kind of confused because if I want to invite more people over, because these pieces are vintage and I only have a set of 4 of everything, I'm not sure where I'm going to get like a 5th and 6th table setting that'll exactly match everything I have. So I might either have to like really figure out where to find this and like do some research and buy more, or if that's not possible, like buy a whole separate set that's like 6 and just use this when I have lesser company over. I'm not sure. But I also got to match these cappuccino cups. So again, the white with the gold outlining, and then same thing with the cup. So these are adorable. These I actually only have 2 of, so these are probably just going to be displayed very pretty like on the countertop because I only have 2 of these guys. But these are gorgeous, and they're from France. Like they're made in France, so they're very nice quality. I was really shocked to find these. Everything was like $1. I've got some crystal pieces. I really love crystal mixed in with like all the white dining ware. So I got these crystal, they're actually toothpick holders. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them because I don't even own like toothpicks in my apartment, and that's not something I usually put on my tablescape. So I'm not sure what I'll use them for. They're kind of too narrow in this part to hold a tea light candle, because originally I was like, that's what I'll probably put in here is like tea light candles, and just have 2 of them, unless I get like tall skinny ones might work. But that's what I'm probably going to use these guys for. So for my silverware, we have a few things. So first I've got this gorgeous butter tray, this butter dish, which is just like beautiful and intricate, and it's got like the glass bottom on the inside, which you can actually remove to clean it, which is nice. I've got some actual silverware here, so I've got these like salad prong things with a nice detail, and then I've also got matching little sets of silverware for like the little teaspoons with like this beautiful, they have like apples on them, which are so pretty, especially now for the fall, and then these little butter knives that are so quaint and pretty. I don't have forks that are like these old silverware kind. I only have like modern looking silver forks, so I'll have to continue looking for like mini intricate forks. Then I also got this is really cool. This I also found at an antique store. It's from Neiman Marcus, and it's this gorgeous sugar and cream for the tea. Look how pretty that is. Look how intricate they are, and they have this like gold inside. Like so pretty. This set was like 30 bucks for the 2 of them, and really happy about that, to like have tea time or like have people over for coffee and bring out my little cream and sugar. That'll be so pretty. I also picked these guys up from Amazon. So these I just got in the mail yesterday. They're the napkin like ring holders. So I have some like plain white linen napkins for the table, And then I got both silver and gold because like I said, I'm gonna do like a mixed thing where like I have both. So I can kind of decide which one I'm feeling depending on the style of the table that I'm going for. So I got silver and gold, but they're the same type of just these pretty little napkin rings. So I got these actually before I even moved, and I saved them because I was like, I cannot wait to use these. So these are actually place cards, like when you have a dinner party and you have like people's names at their seats. That's what this is, and they're these pretty little champagne glasses. Okay, so here's my best for last. Look at that. My favorite store in the world. If you follow me, you honestly don't even have to follow me that closely to know that I have a big Ralph Lauren obsession. But in the store on Madison Avenue, on the top floor, they have a homeware section, and I absolutely fell in love with this piece. I haven't even unboxed them yet. I just bought these, and I'm so excited. I want to do a little unboxing on my Instagram. They're so beautiful. Okay, but it's also tableware. So it's a set of 4 plates. Okay, so they match everything that I have here, where it's all white with the gold outline. And on it, let me see if you can read that. I'm not sure, it's kind of tiny. It basically says Ralph's on top, and then it has their Paris address at the bottom, 173 Boulevard, Saint Germain, Paris, France. Is this not so me? Are you kidding? The second I saw this in the store, like I immediately was just like, I need that for my apartment. I need that. I think it was like $75 for a set of 4. So again, like I have a set of 4 everything. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do if I have like more company over, because right now I only have enough stuff to seat 4. So we'll see. Yes, I'm in love with these plates. Well, that is it for my dining ware haul. I'm gonna go put all of this away. I need to like figure out how to organize like my kitchen cabinets now like really well, and make everything look really neat and organized, because so far so good. But now that I bought all this stuff, I have to figure out how to put it all away in my cabinets. So I'm gonna spend the next probably hour doing that. Hi guys, cozy in my bed yet again. I'm really tired. I've been working on like my shelving unit all day today, and I had to run some errands too. So, but I am about to take a break because I'm gonna meet some people later today. So I wanted to like get a little bit ready. So that's it. If you guys want to see more stuff on like the apartment, make sure to follow me on Instagram and on TikTok, because I've been posting more on those since I've been in the city, and I post a lot of like apartment updates and like inspiration and shopping and questions for you guys there to sort of get involved. But yeah, so that is it. Also make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next vlog.